Welcome to 2 minutes series of mathematics for O level. This series is designed for Cambridge students. As you know, we do smart work. So let's begin. The topic we have today is coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, we have two-dimensional plane and the points A, B are there. The coordinates of A are x1, y1 and coordinates of B are x2, y2. We calculate the gradient of AB, that is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is the gradient of AB. In question number 2, exercise 4a, we have the points A, B, C, D and E. The gradient of AB we calculate 1 minus 1 over 7 minus 0 equal to 0 over 7, that is equal to 0. Gradient of AE is equal to 4 minus 1 over 6 minus 0 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Gradient of DC equal to 5 minus 0 over 0 minus 6 equal to 5 over 6 with negative sign. Gradient of DE equal to 4 minus 5 over 6 minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 6. In question number 4, the gradient of AB is given and we have to find the value of K. We calculate with the formula the gradient of AB minus 3 minus 8 over K minus 3K, and we put 3 equal to minus 11 over 2K. We cross multiply 3 into minus 2K equal to minus 11 and we get K equal to 11 by 6 with positive sign. In question number 7, we have P, Q and R. We have to find the value of unknown variable Z, and P, Q, R lie on a straight line. It means the gradient of 2 points is equal to the gradient of the other 2 points. So we have gradient of PQ is equal to 1 over 1 and gradient of PR is equal to Z plus 3 over 6. We calculate this with the formula PQR lie on a straight line. We equate the two gradients Z plus 3 over 6 equal to 1. We cross multiply Z plus 3 equal to 6 and Z equal to minus 3. Now in question number 9, we have A, B, C and D and we have to prove that these are the points of a square. We calculate the gradient of AB, which is equal to 1 minus 6 over 2 minus 0 equal to minus 5 by 2. Gradient of BC, we calculate that it is equal to 2 by 5 and we calculate the gradient of CD with the formula. It is equal to minus 5 by 2 and gradient of DA is equal to 2 by 5. And from the gradients, we prove that the gradients of the opposite sides are equal. So AB, gradient of AB equal to CD and gradient of AD equal to BC. So these are the sides of the square. The opposite sides gradient is equal. That's it for today. Before going, subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.